Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. This one is just a little bit more specialized, but if you've ever been in the education field, this one pays really well. So I wanted to bring it to you and share it with you today. The company Booknook is hiring a tutor success specialist. Now, that does not mean this is a tutor role. You will not be tutoring students. This is going to be on the flip side of that. You are going to be helping and providing feedback and support to the tutors that work for Booknook. So you do not have to actively tutor people yourself. This is a non-phone position. They are looking for someone to serve as the primary representative of Booknook's brand to their online tutor team by managing their email and other online communications. So you'll respond to inbound and outbound email and Slack communications in a positive and timely and helpful manner. You will leverage Zoom and other virtual tools, and you'll manage their email inbox to meet their goal of same-day response between the business hours of 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, available to work regular evening support hours based on the tutoring programs. So you'll develop and provide instructional and classroom support tools for virtual instruction to their online tutoring community. And you identify recurring themes and common questions raised amongst the tutors that work for Booknook's tutoring team and help decrease the questions through training and resources. So again, like I said, this position is a little bit more specialized. They're looking for someone who has experience in the educational field, someone who has 3 years experience either as a teacher, an instructional coach, a school administrator, or some kind of similar role where your responsibility was providing support or feedback to teachers or tutors. Someone who has great written communication skills, great interpersonal skills, someone who is able to use Gmail and CRM software tools, someone who can demonstrate outcomes of meeting and exceeding customer service performance metrics, and definitely someone who is passionate about supporting educators and focusing on supporting students. Now, if you are in the educational field, they pay really well. The starting salary for this is $70,000 a year. It's completely work remotely. You can live anywhere in the United States. Of course, they offer standard health insurance, medical, dental, vision, paid time off, a 401k. They give you $130 monthly stipend for home expenses like your internet, paper, pens, anything like that that you may use. And then they give you a laptop to work with. All right, as always, if this was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.